Package from China! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Pocket Go portable system. I'm excited about this thing. It looks really cool. So spoiler. First of all, I really like the cardboard box presentation. I think it's very important. Alright, so I do a little bit of unboxing because there's nothing to see on this box. Yeah, some information. It says that you have battery life for 3 to 4 hours, EPS screen, nice, and 1000 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery. It's not a very huge battery, but nevertheless, alright. Ooh, I really like this presentation. Here we have the system itself. Alright. We have in here USB micro cable. No piece of toilet paper manual. That's a little bit of a bummer, but alright, some basic explanation how the system works. We have the SD card reader. Very good at it, giving you this. And some extra spare buttons, or if you want to change out the buttons on the system itself. I'm going to leave it this way, because I just like it this way. Alright, so what I really like about the product is the form factor. It looks a little bit ergonomic and it's got a very nice grip. This is something you're missing out, for example, with the LDK, because the thing is just a square, or the landscape edition is just having corners. So this is more like ergonomic. Yeah. The buttons, shoulder buttons, feel very nice. Very long travel buttons. Got a nice touch. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? So the D-pad itself feels very nice. Very nice travel. Alright, these buttons are a little bit tiny, but you can press it. Alright, let's do a little overview. What are we going to get with this little me machine? Alright, here at the left side we're finding the D-pad. What I think is very cool about this device, it's got a very big D-pad compared with the device itself. It's got a very nice touch, as you can see on the camera. It's got a normal travel. We're having here the start and select button. These are more aligned with the casing itself. Got a very clickish touch to it. Not very hard to press. So here we have the speaker. 4 buttons. They have a very nice touch to them. I must say a long travel. Very clickish, but they feel good. Alright, so at the top we're finding 2 shoulder buttons, micro SD slot. We're having the micro USB for charging and data transfer, reset button, and we're having 2 headphone outputs. This is something that is very cool and very unique. I don't see this very often. One for the headphone and one for the TV out. At the left side we're finding an on and off switch, and at the right we're finding a small scroll wheel for volume control. And at the back there is just nothing. Alright, let's power on the system and let's see what happens. The NX Hope. That is the software that is running on. Ooh. It's like being into the Matrix. Wicked, you have been chosen. You are the one. Alright, so let's do a little bit overview. What are we going to get in the menu? It's more a little bit like a menu like the LDK. If you didn't see the review, check it out. Let's see, let's do a little bit overview with the shoulder buttons. This is weird. When pressing the right one, it goes left. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Some apps on it. Command line and player. To be honest, I don't care about the media player. And this is where it is very important. We're having here the Game Boy Advance. So there are a lot of emulators pre-installed. We're going to test some out in this video, of course. Here we have homebrew games like the LDK. Very nice. I love myself some homebrew games. Again, going to do some then the testing of that. And here we have control power, about, skin and settings. Let's go into the settings. English. What language do we have? Oh, okay, we have a lot of different languages. Ah, we even have Dutch. Yes, I want to change it to Dutch. It's not really that happened, but okay, never mind. Alright, so this is what we're going to get. And does the reset button works? Oh yeah, it works like a charm. Let's play some games, people. I'm ready. Woo! Wicked time! Alright. Oh, very loud. What you can see already, it's a very beautiful screen. Oh yeah, press the wrong button. So the screen itself, as you can see, it has got a very nice view angle. It's very good. But it can be my model, but what you can see here is a little bit of, how do you see this? Back bleeding of the lights here. Can be a quality issue, I don't know, but whoa, I don't know what's happening here, but you see the screen tearing over there. Super Mario Flower Power! Let's go on a 50cc. Oh, just great. Of course, press the wrong button. So, Game Boy Advance seems to be running just fine. I can't keep up, people. I can't keep up. 150cc. Oh yeah, going wild, man, going wild. Alright, let's play some NES. Whoa. Oh crap. Oh man, oh man. I hate those guys with the flamethrower. So let's try out an SFC game, and the Star Fox is not running very well, as you can see. Better said, it runs like shit. So if you're into games like Star Fox and you need the chips, you can forget it, my friends. Maybe in the future with some software updates you can make it better, but for now, unplayable. Alright, let's try some Sega Master System. Right, Sonic 3 for the Mega Drive. Alright, looks promising. The reason why I chose this game, a lot of systems have problem with Sonic 3. And it's playable, people. Alright, let's try out the 3D stage. That looks nice. Running really smooth. Alright. Alright, PC Engine. The perfect test for a D-pad is to play Street Fighter. Oh yeah. Time for some arcade. Oh yeah, okay. So I just wanted to show you Mortal Kombat 2, and what you can't hear is that this game is running. I think you can just see it, by the way. The game is running very crappy, or it runs like shit. So the Mame emulator, yes, it runs some games like Simpsons and a lot of other basic beat 'em ups, but this, no, it's not a good thing. Yeah, this is unplayable, people. Whoa. Time for some NeoGeo. Sounds good. Okay. Alright people, moment of truth. PlayStation 1. You can see here's the frame rate, if I'm saying it correctly. It's fluctuating all over. Hi, that's not looking very bad. Ooh. Alright, let's play. Most of the portable system stuttering with the intro, but ooh, 30 frames. No. It doesn't even matter how many frames there are, this is just freaking unplayable. So if it comes to PlayStation, wah, wah, wah. Okay, now let's try a two-dimensional game. Sometimes that they're having problems with the 3D-dimensional, that the two-dimensional games will work. But no, it's not really better. Oh my god. The frame rate is going up and down, up and down, up and down. It's not stable at all. Hello? Oh, here we go. No. No. Homebrew time! Let's play some Doom. Oh, it even has a soundtrack. It's running great, it's running good. How do you open the door? Oh. Do you know what? Just run for it! Run! 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 Open door! No! I'm gonna punch you in the face! Punch you in the face! Need to get out of here! Alright, Street of Rage, of course my favorite game, and my favorite character. Let's grab the system a little bit. Alright. And also the system runs overview games like Quake 2. I think it's more like the same performance like the LDK. As you can see, the frame rate is not very good. It's a little bit stuttering here and there. But this is what we're going to get with this one. Alright people, for the final conclusion about the Pocket Go. I really like the design of the system itself. The buttons itself got a very good touch. The D-pad, I love it. I think that is very important for me because I want to play fighting games with this. Very responsive. All the buttons got a very long travel, I've noticed. Very beautiful EPS screen. You can add new games, you can add new homebrew games, you can add new emulators if you want. There's a big community behind it, so that is really cool. So, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And if you're into gaming, check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.